Yeah, I was gonna show you. Watch this thing go fly.
Hey, Shaggy.
Yeah.
Have you seen that internal level yet? Oh, you saw that shot show?
Yeah, oh yeah. That thing's fucking
All right,
awesome.
let's shoot the paper. Yeah. So we don't have any reports.
And drilling a hole back here to bleed off gas to make it subsonic. And probably, I think it's 15,000 psi to push a piston.
I'd say just the
Pretty
action.
quiet.